index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, pinky, thumb, knuckles, fingertips, palm, back of the hand, wrist, grip. Rock, paper, scissors. Tic-tac-toe. This one is hide and seek. And this one, tag. Hopscotch. Dodgeball. This one is blind man's buff. Sack race. What's the next? Musical chairs. What's the last one? Tell me in the comments.
Excuse me, miss, where is the nearest toilet?
Oh, thanks for giving me a chance to answer this question. It's a very inquisitive question for me. Initially, I would love to talk about the history of the toilet. As you know, there were several scientists who investigated...
Where is the toilet?
Oh, about the location of the toilet. As you see, there is a
Oh
mall...
my gosh.
Body smell. Odor. What about the smell from the forest? Woody scent. And the rain smell? Petrichor. Flower smell. Fragrance. Smell coming from a dirty drain? Putrid. Ocean smell is salty air. What about the smell from a garbage bin? Stench. And what would you call a strong coffee smell? Can you guess? Let me know in the comments. Relationship vocabulary. Situationship, a relationship without clear label or commitment. Nanoship, a very short relationship that ends quickly. Delusionship, a relationship that exists only in your imagination. Sextationship, a relationship that exists mostly through texting, not in real life. Friends with benefits, friends who also have a physical relationship but no commitment. Open relationship, a relationship where partners can see other people. Want to actually use this vocabulary in real life. You've just learned real English, but it's not enough to start speaking. Lola Speak works so well. Real-life dialogues, speaking practice, not just memorizing. No boring exercises, just real English. Try it now and start speaking today. Jail, prison. What's the difference? Jail is where you go in for a short time, like while you're waiting for your trial. Prison is where you go after you're convicted for a longer sentence. Lawyer, attorney. What's the difference? A lawyer is anyone who studied law. Attorney is the lawyer who actually represents you in court. Felony, misdemeanor. What's the difference? A felony is the serious crime like robbery or murder. Big consequences. A misdemeanor is the minor crime, like a small fine or less than a year in jail. Bail, bond. What's the difference? Bail is the money you pay to get out of jail while waiting for trial. A bond is when someone else, like a bail bondsman, pays it for you. Remember this, you speak English because it's the only language you know. I speak English because it's the only language you know. We're not in the same. Absolutely.